Hi, I'm Dan Kilpatrick. I'm the Business Development Manager for the Automatic Doors and the Access Control section in KCC Group. One of the main queries we get in from clients is architects or building contractors trying to achieve Part M compliancy on their doors. One of the main problems that we face today is that doors are getting bigger and getting wider, and therefore they're getting heavier. So to achieve Part M compliancy, your door has to open up under 30 newtons of force. Your standard day-to-day manual closers can't achieve this anymore, so in order to help them achieve Part M compliancy, we install automatic operators. Part M is so important in the building industry because without achieving Part M, you cannot sign off your building. Without your building being signed off, it cannot be uploaded onto BCAR, and therefore it cannot be either sold, or it can't be rented, or you can't have anybody move into it. Now, the main thing that Part M covers is more so the Newton forces of the doors, and also your clear openings for each door as well. So for example, like the clear opening on an external door has to be 1 meter clear opening, and then an internal door it's got to be 850 millimeters of clear opening. Without achieving these openings, then a client will not get Part M and will not be signed off. So what happens when you install an automatic door is that you have 3 options. You either have a fully automatic option, which means that when you approach the door opens up either by sensor or access control for everybody. You either have what's called low energy, where the door opens up by a pushback, or you have a push and go function where the door opens up by just simply putting a bit of pressure on the door. This helps achieve Part M compliancy because it takes away the requirement for somebody to manually push the door. Therefore, the door is automatically lighter than 30 newtons of force. One project we worked on recently was a local hospital project where the architect was struggling to achieve Part M, and the reason why they were struggling to achieve Part M is that they weren't meeting the clear heights of 2.1 when the door is open for you to walk underneath. What was preventing them from doing so was they wanted to use automatic operators and also put electromagnetic locks on the door. When they installed the electromagnetic locks, it reduced the height down to under the 2.1 clear open requirement. They involved KCC for this, and what we ended up doing was supplying them with micromagnets that we were able to install on the internal doors and help them achieve their Part M.